abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini ekudwini.
It has been a while, guys. Linjani, I hope you guys are so excited as I am to be here. Namhlanje, welcome to Enkundleni exclusive podcast brought to you by Deb3 Events. Inkampani enkulu enza everything under one roof for all your events, be it family, be it corporate, be it social, any kind of event. If you need event management services, ungaxhumana le Deb3 Deb3 Events ilakho ukulipha ama PA systems for hire, sound systems for hire, LED screens, smoke screens, fog lights, you name it. I-Deb3 Events is there for you. Lingaxhumana layo kuma contacts akhona ku screen send khona lapho. Ibizo lami uNonduduzo Ncube. Ngihamba lo General Leslie as usual. And guys, General Leslie has got something to say to you. General.
Yeah, Sarwanani Magadi, yes, I've got something to say. And what I want to say to you is special thanks to Ogushle Designs, our proud partner, Balati from day one, guys. Like I always say, if you need anything graphic designing, t-shirt printing, whatever that is to do with graphic designing and printing, visit Ogushle Designs and they've got you covered. And again, so it's a town, so it's a span, so make sure you find Iskaftin chicken for best foods at low prices. Yes, within
So that was good.
Oh,
that was good.
Thank
But
you.
I see kokade mfuna ukukhuluma. Like
mina ngithintela ukukhuluma into zomsebenzi la
Antu-
lapha
an-
ndisemsebenzini la
antu buxolisa mina so bese ngifuna ukuthi uxolisa ababukeli ukuthi last week kadunga.
last week kade ngiconference
Ajabo ukuthi apology yokuzicelela ayazi kodwa Leslie lawe so
last week kade ngiconference conference yabona mina ngiyahamba ma conference yabo conference.
So guys, we do apologize for not being with you last week. Kwenzakalayo but we
truth
are
mana
back.
mina
We are
ngikhuluma
back.
iqiniso ukuthi ngiyaxolisa waye last week bengekho benchaya izitina bakithi bekudingakala umduli eHarare so athi ngcono
Umduli phezu kwesiporo.
mina umsebenzi wami uchaya izitina ukuthi umduli ufakwa ngaphi hayi I'm not a builder mina benchaya izitina ngaba supplier izitina zabo ngizothola izitina zami sezifakwe phezu kwesiporo mthayina lo.
Okay, so we saw a trending picture of umduli okade uyakhwe phezu kwesiporo.
The Great Wall of China.
Unyumile phezulu kwesiporo and the property is being owned by a Chinese national.
Miss Lee.
And I was seeing the comments ukuthi ama-China asesenza umathanda eZimbabwe.
Hayi ma-China wenza umathanda. Wena awusoze ufike eZimbabwe vele China ufike wenza umathanda. Ukhona umuntu oyenza umathanda esebenzisa ama-China.
Hayi Leslie
So nje uthi wena umChina ngafika phambi kwakho umduli kuphela. Engaphiwanga indawo kwathiwa yakha la.
No, into ngiyikhuluma ukuthi mina personally I don't understand whether I'm China or a local person. The fact ukuthi this is my land, I bought it, it's privately owned land. Am I not allowed to put a structure ngendlela engifuna ngayo yini?
So mina ngingakuthengisela iplaza elicrossa ku main road uyavala i-main road uthi sokuyindawo yami semfuka ukuthi lapha kungasahamba imoto uhamba inkomo zami.
Mina personally ngibona ngani kumele kube njalo.
Hayi no kumele kube njalo. Hayi indawo vele ilemthetho yayo and yikho ubona elokishini anti kulendlela omele uyakhe ngayo ongeke uyakhe ngayo elokuzeni.
But anti when nxa usakha izinto kuleba kuba le inspection ekhona.
Yes
So u-inspector angabona ukuthi uyakhe phezu kwesiporo and if it's illegal why would the inspection people allow it?
Indaba zama-inspector lezi, I think, well, indaba zama-inspector, it's always a problem. Because why? Uyabonanza ukuthi uyezwa kuthiwa kulezi zindlu ezayakho ngo-2012 osomele zidilizwe.
Yes. and I was
Zayakha
going
zaye
there.
zafakwa amagetsi,
I was actually going
zafakwa
there.
isuwa, zafakwa amanzi,
I was actually going there.
zaqalisa ukubhadala ama-taxi
Yes.
every month.
Yes.
Uzothiwa le yakhwanga kuhle somele
Yes.
idilizwe.
Kumbe iyakhwe endaweni
Engayisiyo,
engavunyelwayo.
kodwa
But
uyayibhadala.
what I know about indaba ze-inspection, ku-inspector umuntu angagebhi i-foundation, kuya-inspect.
Kuya-inspect,
Ungafaka islab, kuya-inspect. Window level, kuya-inspect. Roof level, kuya-inspect. So ama-stages wonke lawo inspector, utsho ukuthi kuswelakale nje ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi into leyi iyakhwe endaweni engayisiyo kumbe iyakhwe ngendlela engayisiyo.
Yikho phela ngitsho ama-China awayenzi matana.
So now what's the way forward? Since sokuyakhiwe phezu kwesiporo, sokumele kwenzakaleni? Are they going to demolish the thing?
And then what?
I'm wondering because mina personally, I'm not seeing any harm there because lesiporo sangikhona kuthiwa sisasebenza and I'm not seeing I'm not seeing it sisebenza any time in future. I think that thing vela isasebenza ngaphandle nxa bengathi bafuna insimbi zabo. Uvuthi insimbi zabo ziyahwatsheka umduli ungawiswanga kuganjelwe lapha kukhitshwa insimbi zabo baphiwe insimbi zabo.
Mina ngithi into wrong. Fana lokuthi e-CSC lapha. And sikhambe kwamba sefaka ichechi sithi hayi
CSC privately owned.
Ya ngithi e-CSC kwamba and lapha kumele kube kusenziwa umsebenzi we-industry. Sibese sifaka ichechi kwamba sesithi avela siyibone vele sivuka
I think it's a good thing.
So into leyana like I mean I think it should be an eye opener ukuthi like there is a lot of wrong things ezifakwe endaweni wrong ongamelanga zibe khona.
Mina I think anti lapha sonke sesithinka. I think into leyi ngokwenzakala kwayo kumele abantu bavuleka amehlo babone ukuthi hayi xa kwenzakale so lo ngumbiko esuphiwa isitshengiselo sokuthi forget about NRZ being functional anytime soon.
Yeah.
Isiporo lesi it is not going to. So ungabi le hope ukuthi ngelinye ilanga eNRZ yisayinela leyo ukuthi vele akusela railway.
Ngoba ungakhangela amaplaza amaningi phela. Amaplaza amaningi anti isiporo vele scrossa phakathi kweplaza lomuntu.
Okay.
Amaplaza amaningi.
No, I never thought of it like that.
So imagine nxa lami khathesi ngathi liplaza lami leli. Lami ngizifakela umdulwana.
I never thought of it like that.
Ngoba amaplaza amaningi isiporo zicross emaplazini be.
I-railway zimboni comment on that issue. Ngicine besithi basa investigate ukuthi kanti vele uhamba njani. Khala laba besemnyameni.
Anjabo?
But ba right babe semnyameni andiveka kula sitimela esidlule umduli ozowaphila.
Ngikho ukuthi into le yanti isitshengiselo.
And baqinisile basemnyameni sibe.
Ikho mina ngiyothi into le isitshengiselo sokuthi wena nxa ule dream yokuthi ngelinye ilanga uzathi uvuka ubona isitimela sihamba, forget that dream. It's a sign yokuthi vele akusela railways ezaba khona ngoba the fact ukuthi bebengakwazi and statement sabo lesiyana mina I feel like labo bebesitshela ngezinye indlela ukuthi hayi lokhu
thina vele sakwazi ukuthi vele iziporo zethu zihamba njani be.
Khona ukuthi it's a privately owned land what kuthiwa who's going to investigate? It's not even them. Kuthiwa mbani?
It's not them who are going
Asakwazi
to
bathi
I think it has to be ERR City Council.
Bathi council. So vele bona hayi
Nxa kuyukuthi ku-inspector kwapasa umduli right.
That's what they were saying.
Umduli right nxa ku-inspector
You see-
nxa kungapasanga akudilizwe nxa ku-inspector kwapasa it's okay umduli.
Yes.
Great wall of
So
sign.
if you had a dream ukuthi one day uzasebenza railways kumbe one day uzagada isitimela, I think zitshela ukuthi hayi
No nje civil.
sorry.
Right. Kuthiwa ngono if you have a dream yokuthi one day uzabona isitimela kufanele ukuthatha ugqoke imask. Twa kuvumi vele it can't. Yabo sithathela ugqoke imask. Imagine abani kiss the bride bayishaya njani. akuphuma ngama-picture ekiss.
Bekwazi mina laphana ngiblame umfazi.
Why?
Hey, azilawe especially if ungumfazi omuhle zithande lawe, just walk away from nonsense.
Sithi umfazi lo amuhle.
Walk away from bullshit.
Sithi bakhona yena ababi nabafazi. Bakhona abafazi ababi.
Angitsho umuntu obusisekile ebusweni ngobuso.
Uthande umuntu wakhe nalwa.
Ngithi umama low. I think she was supposed to value herself ngoba liyana ingcekeza liyana.
What's the problem ngogqoka imask?
Uyigokelani? Ithayi balaclava. There is nothing positive associated with that thing.
Kuwe phela.
Usually it's usually worn by robbers, porn stars. Labo bani?
Lamapolisa
Amapolisa ala reputation right.
I'm
looking for positivity ngayo into leyi.
Positive phela and the police is your friend. Keep safe and njani.
Why would you hide your face?
No mina, but I think kulama reasons maybe singawaziyo, because I saw someone esithi ungazuma kuhle umuntu lana ngani le skin disease or something.
So uhlale njalo vele.
Maybe not like that always, but kule ndawo zokuthi nxa uzi expose kwezinye izinto, for example abantu abanengi or steam or whatever, I'm not sure about ama skin diseases, ukuthi kuyabe kulezinto ezamenza maybe react.
Maybe ngcole imali eningi bezifihlo labafazi abaningi.
I saw a comment.
Kumbe ncenye liropa anti mina I demonstrate what I am at my wedding.
Someone said on the comments, someone said virgins cover their faces when they're getting married.
So mchitali virgin.
Why would someone marry a virgin man?
So when uthi lo ukuthatha lo 50-year-old woman wrong.
Maybe umfazi, I don't know how you can take it, but umfazi only 15 years. But
umfazi only 15 at 50.
We'll get there. I'm saying, why would a grown-up woman marry an adult male virgin?
Why would a grown man marry an adult female virgin? And foot not only adult, granny size.
Leslie, ukithima kakhulu.
Hayi phela mina ngizamuthi phela sisibhalazi because why kungamelanga mina njengendoda mbe virgin.
Ngithi speed hamba lami.
Why ungamelanga mbe virgin mina?
Hey guys, the medical experience. Hayi.
Manya experience kubani? If the lady that I'm marrying is supposed to be a virgin, the experience ngiyayithatha nga. Where am I going to get experience? What are we saying about other women? Because the experience, it means phela sengike ngasebenza la. So what are we saying about other women? Wena uyafuna yini ukuthi abantu benze attachment kuwe?
If it's consensual, ngiyakufundisa. But
namboni nje wrong ngomthi. Belivithi.
Waseli mask be.
Wasivala.
Ufuna ku-unveilwa phela kwani
uyathi usutshadile usuthi usulobodile umfazi akuchiyele khona lokho ukuthi awula experience.
So uthini sitshele
but kabakufundiswa ukuthi no sex before marriage.
Yes. Madoda kulento asifundisa yona la kulento eqhathekile ngicela sonke sifocus kulento evela from a woman perspective, no? Tell us.
Ngikhulumela abanye.
Tell us, no?
Angikhulumela abanye abafazi, but I'm just saying this is a personal view. It's not a view of Depth 3 events. It's not a view of Enkundleni exclusive. It's not Nduduzoncubes point of view. A man must be experienced. Whereas sometimes as an adult, uqalisa ukufundisa umuntu oselamazinyo agcwele umlomo wonke, uqalisa ukumfundisa ezinye izinto. You can't teach an old dog new tricks.
Nyabe ngikwazi ama theory. Ukabe kushoda practical. Ukafana ukuthi mpasize imseki laba. Nyabe sengena manje ku industry. Because mina into engiwarisha ngayo ukuthi i-experience ngiyayithatha kubantu because mina I'm supposed to marry a virgin.
Who says who?
Yikho phela dignity ntontoni.
Dignity
Morals,
kabani? Moral kabani, guys?
Tradition and
Do you know what?
all right,
You
no,
know what?
Ntobus,
Let me tell you
Ntobus.
something. Let me tell you something. Marrying a virgin woman, it doesn't guarantee you a good, long-lasting marriage.
Yeah,
It
true.
doesn't guarantee you happiness in marriage. You'd rather marry someone with experience. So that nxa lingaxabana ngokunye, liyaduduzana ngokunye.
Mina laba sengethukile. I-experience manje ngiyithatha kubani?
Must I tell you everything?
Bo mama sicelani lisiboleke i-experience la. Lapha besingakwa mina njengambe ngizigcinele yazi ngingufather. Ngiyabona lapha bembhayiza la. Mina ngifather mina.
Let's look at me in the
Ikuthi
eye.
rosary yami ngiyigqoke phela mina ngifather mina. Mina ngifather mina vele hayi.
And then also when it came to the issue that 50-year-old virgin
The lady
you know what? Abantu bale ndlela abaphila ngayo. But I didn't like the comments. Mina I'm against into leyo yokuchata umuntu virgin, whether male or female. But
no la mkepa. Hippie mine. Yo.
Mana siza ukuthi abaris.
Yeah.
Bebe valid.
guys, have you heard about something called sexual compatibility? Have you ever heard anything about that?
Mina vele ukuthi andi njengomfather.
Now imagine you have made your vows, usuchadile. Nxa uchada phela uchadeli udivorce. Usuchada uthi lapha sengingena sensiyahlala khona nginabe sibili.
Usaphuma.
Uthi usungenile uthola ukuthi you are sexually incompatible with that person. Phela we all know ukuthi sex is key in marriage. Usuzayenzani manje? Anti ikho sokusenza ukuthi omunye agcine secheata, omunye sesithi all those things. So I think you have to know ukuthi okay, umuntu lo are we compatible?
So abafundisi ngabe sithi no sex before marriage uthini ngabo?
Labadala besides abafundisi labadala bethu.
Nxa ukhuluma
Nabelaya
abafundisi, did you see
abantwana.
that post that I made on Facebook? Abafundisi basitshela everything. I said abafundisi bayathi singanathi utshwala, but they own bottle stores, they own ama supermarkets, ale liquor section.
No, mina ngithi abafundisi right, I understand. Abazali bethu ke baqamba manga because indlela phela abasitshela ngayo le. Zigcine mntanami, uzigcinele umendo. Balamanga yini?
Into abazali bakho yonke ayilalela wena.
Hayi, anti kukhona okunye engakufunda esikole. Nje ukuthi mama mina kayenzanga iphayara squad.
You do what works for you. I think that's the best answer.
Manje what works for me ngiyayithatha nga.
Do what works for you. Because no, very
Mina mfuna ukuthi congratulations to my brother for marrying your 50-year-old virgin.
Ngizwisisa uno ngoba ngingachayisana something ngathi sithi udriver oke wazama udrive izimoto zaba ngo-50 le experience. Kodwa imoto ngabona driver abangu-50 hayi yona yele nkinga.
okay.
So what are we saying?
So
I mean, I'm very confused. I'm confused.
Okay, so can I ask you something? Who's the driver and who's the car?
Yes.
Supposedly the man is the driver.
So why are we objectifying women? Ngizomunye khuluma ngokuthi umfazi ifoni.
Okay.
Now the wife is a truck. The other one says the wife is the lorry. Why are we objectifying the
But do you know ukuthi see eqinisweni.
Ngicela ukubuza, all right, can I ask you? I'm in a room full of men. I know ukuthi our viewers they are only seeing 2 people, but the room is full of men here. Can I ask you something? As a man, you have a body count of 10. You meet a woman with a body count of 10. Why wena as a man urwadziwa lina liku level ground?
Ayivela melana sibe ku level ground ve. Do you know ukuthi into yakho nidalwe njalo even uNkulunkulu. Yikubona uyathola so
Ngase sikhuluma ngokudala.
inkukhu zigcwele
You know what?
so inkukhu zigcwele so ungabona
Yeah.
kola maqhutha ngu6 sokuwrong
Usuliqhuthe
mele
wena.
leqhuthe li1
Usuliqhuthe wena.
mina I'm a representative of everything male even
So,
inkunzi esibayeni
You
iba
know what?
yi1
Ngase sisiya ku
impongo iba yi1
Ngase sisiya ku God manje sesihamba deep ngutshele Leslie
Deep as what?
uzayenza ngicine ngitshova kakhulu
deep
ngoba kathesi anti nxa sesihamba ku deep sagcina sikhuluma ngento esake sakhuluma ngayo on our other episodes.
hayi but mina akwenzi phela ukuthi mina mbe ku25 lo chera be ku25 kwenzi
Why?
Hayi,
Any valid reason why?
hayi akwenzi
So yi2
Udingani ku-25?
So yi2 one emchadweni wethu ithi so yi2 esikwaziyo. Ngokwazi body count yami mina ngikwazi body count yakho so yi2.
aphela lapha
Umhlaba ukwazi ani?
why
Why is it a problem? Why does it become a problem?
bosisi linga body count 25 mina libonisa mina lingalaleli unonyelitshela cha icrossfire mama wo 25 lami 25 wena nkazana
Anje ngithe lapho silabo baba abanengi la kuswelakala oyi1 onganika a valid reason ezangenza smove on to our next point. Don't tell me anything. Don't tell me the Bible reason. Let's get a factual, realistic, practical reason.
Let me try.
phela do you know ukuthi all right
Let me try this. So wathenga ingubo at the same time.
Hayi umfazi asongubo.
mana
Ah.
lalela ungalalelo yamba kathana
Ingubo namuhla lo Leslie ethenga ingubo at the same time. Once down the line uzathotheka Leslie yabe siyimbuku yakho. So lapho kulala khona umuntu oyindoda yavuthuka.
Yeah. No. If that was the case,
but mina
if
no
that was the
ngcobo
case,
no genuine
then if that was the case, then the sex workers would be out of business because uyabe ngasambatheki after a certain time. You get what I'm saying? If that was the case. But
40, 45.
Oh, wena.
mina into engitsho ukuthi do you know ukuthi kulamabala ukuthi ungazuzame njani ukudefenda njani anti kulamabala asetshenziswa emuntwini ongumama angasetshenziswa endodeni indoda ingaba lamankazana amaningi kuthiwa inkonjwa umfazi kuthiwa wena ungaphenduli so kulezinye izinto vele zokuthi ungazuzama umsebenzi sama human rights kumbe ama human lefts
who creates the words? Who creates those words?
Umphakathi.
It's people.
kanti wena ufuphila nga ufuka ephile esibayeni
You
ufuka
guys.
ephile enyamazaneni
Anyway, let's move on.
even inkosi sibili inkosi ibithatha abafazi abaningi kodwa abafazi kuthiwa wena ungumntana enkosi la ube lamadoda amaningi akuyenzi
Ngabantu phela bafaka that standard.
anti i-standard sabantu esafakwa ngabantu
So abantu bakwazi ukufaka esinye standard sokuthi umfazi la yathatha isithembu. Anti i-standard ezifakwa ngabantu lezi.
wena
It's the
umfazi
It's people who create the culture.
But
It's
no,
people who create
No.
acceptable.
but uyabona abantu abaku-accept
It's people who create names. Yes, bazaku-accepta.
abaku-accept
Aku-accepteki vele okuyinto kwakhona
LGBTQI yayinga-acceptwa. Si-acceptwa lakho kuyagcina ku-accepta.
ezimbabha
Okuya kwesikhathi sa-accept.
ezimbabha zikayi-accept
Sesi-acceptile.
hayi ezizinto vezi nje-covid asizi-accept sekhwama imagine mina sengingumisi Ncube
And you know what? Speaking of that,
but it's inclusive.
we are now also in a society yokuthi in some places women choose whether they would like to take their husband's surnames or not. In other places also indoda isikwanisa ukuthi ithathe isibongo somfazi nxa kuchadwa.
no
Yes, it's there.
ezinye izinto anti
Look into it.
man
It's there.
anyala anti but ubustupid bezizinto obustupid because umntwana alright umntwana wakho wena uyabe ngowakobani
Uzabe singwakoNcube phela. You know what? ULeslie angimsoli uLeslie ngoba vele yonke into nxa iqala uqala
ezinye izinto singazivumeli iziqale vele kufana lokwakha imiduli esiporweni sithi kuyaqala akukho kuhle okuyinto lokhuyana
resistance to change is normal.
hayi lokho asikho change lo
resistance to change is normal. Lizagcina selikuvuma lani ukungena ezithenjini. Lizagcina selikuvuma lani ukuthatha izibongo zabafazi.
mina
Kuyafika isikhathi sokuthi
mina
lizavuma.
angisoze ngikuvume ukungena esithenjini mina kangisoze ngikuvume mina lemuli yami sikuvume
Kanti ngicela
uthatha
ukubuza.
izibongo zabafazi
Okay, can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Nxa ukhombisa intombi, anti intombi liyana ikutshele ithi ngile boyfriend yami, ikutshele ithi ngile ndoda yami. Kodwa uvuma ukungena khona lapho.
angidli
Is
khonokho
that
mina.
not a sign? Yokuthi ngokuya kwesikhathi lizavuma.
Hayi it's not, it's different lapha
Ah.
yabe vutha hit and run yabe ndlula lapha ngiyabengela ndaba la bakhona phela anti kufana le ndoda elenye indoda
Change. Alizoze livume lonke
vela
kawaii.
so change
ngokuya
khonokho asikho change yani idola isikho change kongo isolid lokho asikho change lokho change bani njalo
Anyway, can I ask you something? Udlule esikhathini chicken. Ngiyabona. It's just obvious. Indlela ole okhanya
Scafton chicken, ilama chips and Russian, babe fama salad wonga green maroon purple babe fakile so isihlahla so eziningi so just for $3.50. Yazo kabe kunje so okuyizinto kabe kunje so.
So guys, on another note, we have always been proud of the city of Bulawayo. Bulawayo has always been known for cleanliness, smartness, order and all that. But in the past week, Bulawayo, the city of Bulawayo, we actually trended because of the pile of rubbish that was seen in market. The smell there, the stench. And eceleni khonapho we saw vendors selling food, clothes and all that kind of. But abathengisa ukudla just next to that huge smelling pile of rubbish. I don't really know ukuthi yenzakalani. I-market siyakwazi vele ukuthi ihlezi ngcolile but lokhiyana umnuko ongikhona mina ngiwuzwe ngithutshe ngo 5th Avenue ngisukela kumqabuko nga yabona igarage lela xa usanda udlula igarage usanda udlula igarage lelana ungani uza ngapha ku main. That's where it started smelling from there. Uyazi ukuthi ngithe ngifika lapha it was something else. I don't know what's going on. Angikwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani and I noticed ukuthi in the past few weeks town lapha uMabhimu ubengani kakho consistent bese ngamboni. Githi ngale eKawash le kumasocha izibibe zihlala phandle for 2 weeks lize ligcine lizifaka emaplastikini lizivutha lizibisela phakathi ama refuse collectors bese ngithi uMabhimu ama refuse collectors bengadlulanga yabo. So I think personally that's part of the reason sikhulumela from what mina I've experienced. So I don't know ukuthi uLeslie njoba engugeneral I think kulama connections and stuff.
Yeah, I've got connections. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look into it. You see, I'm gonna look at it because it's not the first time that I spoke about this, and well, I'm going to sit with my other generals and we're gonna discuss a way forward concerning these things because they endanger the health.
Is there anything to discuss really, or is a matter of fueling ama refuse trucks and assigning them to go and collect rubbish? Is there anything to sit and discuss?
I would have to call my friend David because I need to find out if we've got enough manpower because we can have the trucks, but
manpower.
not have people because employment is down and So I'm going to call my friend David and find out from him. Yeah, my phone is there.
Anyway,
But mina no. Imagethi ihlezi ngcwele.
but that was worse.
Yeah, I agree.
That was more than
ukuthi into yakhona iyabilokho ikhula. And because imagethi vele sure isibindi ukuhamba lapha. Especially kule site lela lama toilet lela uthengiswa kakhulu intshe enkulani lana. But request khona amatamatisi and what all. So I think also kustrike kakhulu 100% ku city council and kustrike khona kakhulu and but I think even lama shop kuhambana seduze and I think lawo ababe lawabo ama measures abawenzayo because ibo phela abasithengisela ukudla at the end of the day.
I think also speaking of shops,
Because kulama shop amaningi kwamba and yibo aba offload into zamabhokisi.
Ngifunge khona lapho ukuthi okunye lawe Leslie you are expecting too much because i-type zama shops alaphana. Because amanye anuka wona phakathi ungena.
Yeah, so it says a lot about our health systems.
Yeah.
Because ishop irana njani ithengisa ukudla inuka phakathi. And I agree, I've seen that a lot. But when ungavula ku restaurant kwakho la,
I think okunye futhi kukithi njengabantu. So mele sibuyele nje to ingqondelane besilayo kuqala ipride edesilayo ngobulawayo. Kulapho engikhona I make sure lami clean.
It's not
Now,
everyone chief who's Bulawayo because
now
the pride of
pride
Bulawayo.
and I've always said this. There's a demographic that is proud naturally. And then there's a demographic that pride is not it's out of the
It's
picture.
not there.
Yes. So vele nxa ukhuluma ngepride abanye abakuphiwanga naturally.
No.
Kulabanye vele abadalwe baba lakho egazini then labanye abangelakho.
So uthi thina ekade silakho wala long sokumele sizama uku-impacta.
Number one, angila shop mina ebenilakho emakethi.
If we are outnumbered,
Yes.
that would be almost impossible.
Kuyaqala khonapho nxa wena lo lesilibanga ukuthuli lo msika wena phana wena make sure ukuthi kwakho la uyabona ukuthi hayi mana ngilani ngizama.
Uyakuhlale lo makhelwane olichapha. Awukazi?
Mina I think
Umakhelwane olichapha, ngicela ukutshela umakhelwane olichapha. Umakhelwane olichapha uyathangela iyadi. Anti nxa engcolise yakhe wena eyakho especially nxa kungela jurawo kumbe kule fence nxa lapha next door kungcolile wena ungaze uthangele njani it still looks filthy nxa kunuka ngapha la kuwe kuyanuka nxa kule hu ngapha liyabuya kuwe you get it so I think it also applies because singahambe market you find ukuthi kule enye shop othi nxa ungena iyabe clean. But nxa kule stench esinjengasile siyana phandle ungaze ungene laphana still it's smelling uyabo nxa kuvuka umkhuhlane khona phana emarket and even when ucleanile icholera nxa kuthiwa sokule outbreak yecholera ungaze uclean yakho ishop lawe icholera izangena kuwe so I think it's you are outnumbered uthola ukuthi omakhelwane bakho bangu-17 when we won what can you do
mina umbuzo wami nangu la ingaphi ema
i-ema ihamba lapho kule mali khona emagarajini siya check amagaraji kuthiwa ngaphi kuma privately owned businesses okule mali khona ikho lapho ithola khona
nxa abantu okumele ba-enforce ukuthi akola doti bengafuni uku-enforce asingezeleleni iphayili because we can't say we have people that are supposed to emphasize such things and they are only focusing where there is money. Asingcoliseni kakhulu.
Uyazi ukuthi ufana ngicela ufake
because that's the only way yokuthi kulunge phela.
Ngicela ufake umzekeliso ofani ophethe. Kubane uthi sithi council nxa ngabuya ngezolo isistitch asiblockiseni.
Asiblockeni zonke isititch kunuke. Anyali but iEma will hold ama workshop baqalisa ukuxotshanisana lamabhasi kuthiwa kulomuntu olahle isigubhu esi1 ngewind but kule phayile emarket hayi usho ukuthi isigubhu esi1 kule phayile emarket abantu belahla sikhangela abantu babelahla lapha amahlamvu ekhabichi amaroli yavele emtare ngale buye fike lahla ambanana sebolile and no one is there.
Okay, guys, let's move on. In the past few weeks, Bulawayo has been trending very for the wrong reasons. Except we were talking about his motors. We saw motors it was Jontwe, and kule inye Jontwe ku betting.
Oh.
Yeah, ku try Africa's bet. yeah yeah then kule inye i-baby quantum futhi layo umuntu upakile sithi uyangena eshop umuntu wangena wacha phansi yabo uthe sale sagijima quantum bisichaye phansi.
Shame.
So we are seeing ama cases of carjacking and very actually we are seeing a lot of crime happening. Last week wabochwa a gang
Yamabemba. Hey, these guys
and
are now all over. Man.
I was checking the age of the arrested boys. I'm 18-year-olds, I'm 19-year-olds, I'm 21-year-olds. And looking into that story, I saw the mastermind is a 40-something-year-old guy. Ohlale makoko umzilikazi. So it seems like we are two mabafana labo ukuthi bayetshontsha and then he buys those phones from them and stuff like that. Umuntu omdala civil, etuma the 18-year-olds.
Yeah, I think in the Yamabemba, it's even up to now. Like it's all over. In Popoma, Zolo, I heard there's something again. Mokati, Opembiweyo, Makwekwe again. It happened all Makwekwe. So good. I mean, I think it's an encouragement of safety. Nxa kuvuma imsebenzi yethu iyala most of the times. But nxa kuvuma sikhambeni kukhanya because
I heard some rumors.
Abantu kumele basincede bagcwele kuma roadblock.
I heard some rumors. I don't know how true they are. I heard ukuthi abanengi bakhona baxotshiwe emamine.
Ama lokuzeni phela ama ogwethu.
So kuthathwa abantu abakhulileyo mbijani.
Ama mine like ama proper mines.
I don't know, but I just heard that.
Okay.
Kuthiwa sokumele kuthathe some 27-year-olds kusiya phezulu. I don't know how true it is. Maybe the guys abakwaziyo they can tell us kuma comment section ukuthi kanti indaba yamamine le kuhamba njani. I personally it's an assumption. I'm assuming ukuthi maybe it's those boys abavela khona ngale. Because into le yamamachethi phela iqalisa ukuduma kathesi ayisonto
But ama proper mines and ama proper mines awala exposure enkulu lamamachethi because ama shaft akhona abe yakhe
No, I'm saying laba bekugwetha.
Ogwetha manje phela uxotshwana ngalo ukuthi kuthiwa no under 18. Ngale
No, you know what? Abantu abasebenza emamine and uyabe se kuthiwa kwenzani? Desperation of some sort.
Yikho phela ukuthi uyabungaxotshwanga ngale. Evele belingayibona imali kumbe amapolisa wona yibo.
Baxotshwe banga.
Abaxotshwa.
Esikhuluma ngabe ukuthi baxotshwe
Maybe it's the illegal
ama illegal miners yabe xotshwa ngamapolisa ngale. Because babe begwethe endaweni ezingayisizo lapha. So bangabuya ngapha indlala now siqalisa ukuchaya manje then sebesithi
But 18 years guys
wena
uhlahlela abantu
ngamamine vele uhambe egwetha vele ungaqetha ugrade 7. Ungaqetha ugrade 7. Susi emine.
That's something else, eh? And where are the parents?
Parents mbani kani? Mbani ukuthiwa nguparents?
Hi guys, let's be realistic. Tina kuma African household. You can be 21 uhlala labazali.
Nxa ukhulela phela ku family phela. Anti leyo ifamily ukhuluma ngayo. That's a family that you are talking about. It's not everyone oku exposure ye family. Abanye abantu umama akhe ugcina umuzi ngale then ubaba akhe welusa inkomo ngale then yena bahlezi bodwa somewhere ngabantwana babona abazali nxa besizobavakatshela so ungaqeda ubhala ugrade 7 suyindoda sumele uziphandele
child family
but kudala now do you know ukuthi kwakureduce njani konke amakhiwa besezile amaplaza so usebenza eplazini
but
industry kobulawa ibikhona so even ungafundanga ubuhamba useyavala amakhokho khathesi ukuthi uthathe idobi ngakhuluma last time ukuthatha idobi kochophizi ulifile lapha 5 O levels ukudopa idobi ecreditini lifake diploma in marketing utopi gem
I think yazi ukuthi speaking of which I think yenye into esisenza ukuthi ama degrees abe ngani awala value yana la because you can't be a holder of a master's degree in marketing management uqede lapho yokuba merchandiser
ukhona usisi oppostileyo ku jobs ngugroup ekiyo kuthiwa jobs njani esithi ufuna udriver we Honda Fit imshikashika ufuna umuntu le class 2 le defensive le retest le 5 O levels including English ngathi lapha manje 5 O levels zabe zisenzani la ukuthi hyper
uzubko efuna ama-5
oyifuna 5 O levels wayethatha kakhulu ama A level
ama-conductors antiyabona ukuthi isikolo sicina singela value even ebantwaneni ukuthi kambe sure
ukuthi mfunde nzima nje ukuba ngiconductor kaZubko
and you find listen where I'm going with this. You find someone without much education being the company owner kube nguye odemanda ukuthi
ubuye le 5 O
merchandiser wakhe
uScott wathi wagcina ku-grade bani
ubani
uScott weScotland uScott sakupwani wathi kwi-college wathi wagcina form 2
athi lazo okunye ukungafundi kuyakhanya even umuntu umkhayile efacing
hayi
okay moving on
wathi wagcina form 2 so ke lokho I think kuyatholakala ukuthi uthola umuntu even umuntu engafundanga ebelelake
ekubize wena athi mfuna i-degree wena isikolo sikhanya so efacing yena kuye singakhanyi
uyabekwazi ukuthi engaqhatsha umuntu ofundileyo into zakhe ziyahamba
ziyahamba sharp
okay okay, congratulations to the winners of Miss Universe Zimbabwe. Sithi congratulations. You know, kuthiwa ngubani the Gweru lady.
Ngugweru lady.
I want her name. Inileyo and Onesimo from this side ube first runner up,
first presence.
Moyas. Lishad, congratulations to her. I don't know, Moyas is slow bani.
Asokula.
What's funny?
Asokula. So ukarabu ka generation ubuye wazosikhetela ikule.
So what was that welcome whatever eyenzwakale kukhona Ferguson as if she's a president or what? Why do we have a tendency of overdoing things?
Ukhona famous.
So
celebrate isire.
Ukhona famous.
So angazeli umadlela ufamous kobulawayo ngazembona limenzela khokya
abantu abanisufuna ukuthi mina umphambanisi sho hayi inye la uyakuzwa nxa uphuma emlonyeni
ukhona ufamous nga
ukhona ufamous yonke indawo
kuyipi generation kuyipi generation
ethu wena umazi ukhona
exactly
wena umazi ukhona wena
abaningi abangamazi abantwana bamazi wena ntu liqhegu mina lawe isiqhegu lesalukazi
ukhona still there with industry
okay
still there like hitting it hard.
You know what? Okay, she's there with industry, she's doing good, she's doing well, siyambongela, but did she deserve that kind of welcome?
Yeah, she did.
What the hell?
She did. But it's okhoni lawana ngama unsung heroes
Usakile Dube last year what a Velas representer ku Miss World Universe. Did we do that? Did we do exactly
why Velas representer?
Why are we not celebrating? No, we need to do that for our own people as well.
Uyabe senze nje ukhoni yini own people.
South Africa bamenzele that very same thing. Asiyeke ufuna ukuncenga kakhulu.
Hayi awukhoni madoda ukhoni into omela zenze usezenzile ukhoni.
Uzenzenga eZimbabwe. No in Zimbabwe can go to South Africa and be welcomed like that.
Uyabe yenzeni be? Uyabe yenzeni yena lo uhu?
Yenzeni nga. Ukhona uyenzeni eZimbabwe?
Kunenga okwenzile.
eZimbabwe.
Mina amazi mina.
Siyakwazi crash yakho.
I know.
But you know what?
Crash and umuntu osebenzileyo bazali usebenzile and Khoni has done like so much for art industry ukuthi uya deserve into enjalo.
My point is bebeza hamba bemamkele welcome kuhamba media welcome ehambe lapha yakhona. Lokhana it was just too much. Because ngama international offers we just overdo things to please people. I mean I think they overdid that whole thing. Because Yes.
No, I don't.
Because
I don't agree.
who in Zimbabwe can go there bemenzele khonkana?
Where benzeni
Even our own president ambonti bamamkela so
Where benzeni?
upresident wethu.
Ani umpresident.
Wena.
Hayi ukhona labana
anyway,
heroes.
Sithi congratulations to the winners. Siyalibongela but you know what?
Mbonile ukhona iFerguson ekhitha kuthiwa mbani? Unathi khayo awu performance yakhe blind. Ungabona be-enjoy njalo labantu abanjabo Grace Mugabe.
Yeah. No, Nati O is a beast on stage. I've watched him a number of times.
That's a good song.
Yeah, yena vele on stage he's good.
But ama cultural outfits lawana. Ama cultural outfits lawana kuyini ngonokhana?
Ungakafiki khona bemfuna ukubuya ku the issue ka Connie Ferguson. I think I will go with Leslie on this one. That lady has done so much for
Africa.
I don't know where Botswana very by but ungakaela for a lot of artists.
Yeah.
I company yakhe Ferguson Films.
Yeah.
Okay, singa okay, nginga underestimate, nginga mehlisi, ngimnike izicoco zakhe. She has done well. But to that extent
yes, to that extent.
Ade ama celebrity very
to that mina vele on that one vele I'm saying
ama celebrity knows very sewa kefana even now if you do well
Connie has worked ukhona sisebenzile
yena unongo wakhe
if you siyancenga kakhulu
because no ayisoncenga vele ungabona vese sifuna ukuthi sifana nesukhoni lo madlela nje akusayenzi
no that was an example where's wena so mina
foreign national just visiting to come and adjudicate compared to umuntu khamba
I think into really pambansana is to use the word foreign and
she is foreign
lathi hayi
also simkhotha ngoba yonlolutho
asondaba yolutho we're talking about the impact impact
where
everywhere in Africa.
She came to Zimbabwe. Impact where? What impact in Zimbabwe? Exactly. Thank you.
Bazali.
What in Zimbabwe?
Do you know ukuthi nxa singafuna ukuthi sikhulume ngokhonti lapha nje lacina lithule la lacina lithule la lacina uthole le problem because if we talk impact and we talk content lacina lithula la
Zwana let's know you know what the problem
lacina lithula la
you know what
I'm not.
You know what?
No, not
you know what? Into ngibona yanti Leslie is biased because ulento lena ukuthi he knows Conte personally. So
no, I don't know Conte personally mina. I know Conte is director okhona la.
Because you know him, right? Umadlela because Madlela ukhuluma reason yakani. But my point is why are we not doing that for our own people? Nxa singaboni foreign njengabantwana labanothi
I think that's the problem that we have. We do not appreciate we do not appreciate into ezinkulu and because aziveli kithi like sifuna ukuthi ukhonti simyami ukhona simyamikele njengomsisi K.
My point is look at this
because I'm saying la khathesi wena alright niki list uthi 1 2 3 kumele uthi bangafika eSouth bayamukele so nika wena list
but
uyazi uthi nani
nika list
do you know
niki list
lo obe uMr Bonds
Tongai Chirisa is getting that in SA.
Ulamanga.
Tongai Chirisa is the big guy in SA.
My point is,
Leroy is a big guy in SA.
Guys.
Or a clear card.
You know what?
So what are you saying?
Can I say something? They are going to say. My point is, if someone is a Zimbabwean and is doing umsebenzi onqomekayo, can we do that for them rather than ukuthi kungabuya uArnold Schwarzenegger kumbe kubuya uConnie Ferguson. Sesiqalisa sinjengabantwana labana ukuthi kungabuya umuntu emzini umntwana wakhona webe selokho seziugange ukukhangela emehlweni so ukuthi umbone.
You
get my point. Let's do it for the local people who are doing notable work. Are you saying eZimbabwe akulamntu oyenza kahle wena?
Bakhona but why kumele simamukela ngani ukuthi ufike eZimbabwe yena evele eseZimbabwe?
Wena.
I think that's why
Why kumele ukwamukela ngani ngikho ufika wena uvele ukhona?
Abafikayo.
Bevela ngamba nobuyileyo right ongayamukelwayo.
We didn't do that for her. And
Angazi ukuthi komele
she put Zimbabwe on the map.
Bathi bebuya la safaka imotorcade la.
Zimbabwe trended because of
What's the problem with that? Yikho phela and so who are we not appreciating?
No, the level of appreciation was just too much.
I know. That's what I'm denying.
Thank you.
No, I think I hear all of you and lapha esihlukana khona. I think ipoint oqeda ukuthi thina sesikwathi wena ngumZimbabwe. Ukhulele la ongwana.
Silawe
We expect that ukuthi bekwenze NSA.
You don't do that. You don't do that. Ukuthi umntwana wakho u-expect ukuthi umntwana just because he's doing well ka-appreciate ngamakhelwane.
No,
appreciate your own child in your own household.
So wena ufuna ukuthi every day nxa ufike emsebenzini wakho abantu batshaya izandla bathi yeah nangu no.
Nxa ngivela sebenza ngivela represent ilizwe I expect that.
Kanti abahambileyo kanti besides Sakhile who else?
Nginika example baningi abafika eZimbabwe baningi abajayele eZimbabwe bangazake
bayenzeni ngobani? Ubani?
So which
yes uzabona
So kumele enzelweni exactly.
Kolokya
Hayi so lami ngihamba nge-act movie yami kawanqa mphendula some kugcwala izinto.
As long as you put
this is a process. This is a process.
You know what?
This is a process. You don't do one thing namuhla kumele uhlu phakame the next day.
My point is that as long as project on that time ifake ilizwe lethu our country is always trending for the wrong reasons, for the bad things, but ngesikhathi wenze okuhle satrenda ngento enhle kumele sikwamukele konka so that we can also encourage abantu bethu kanti abantu bethu i-acting industry abayithandi but nxa bebona khona ikifekasi bathi gole but singakwenzela umuntu okhona la abantwana bethu labo baba positive nge-industry yethu.
I think the point that we're trying to make ukuthi that lady and the level that she
umuntu lo mkhulu
level ngaphi guys eZimbabwe
I'm not aware of the level.
Ngicela ungitshele one thing
everywhere in Africa.
I don't care about South Africa. I want Zimbabwe.
Manini mina mana ngithi so no. Kodwa mana ngithi so ukuthi sidlule endabeni le is follow baba Ernest Ndlovu. That Mdala is done so much in the acting scene in South Africa. We expect ukuthi nxa ibuya nga simphakamise kukhanya ukuthi he has made
wabuya la kwenza
this is my point ezami ukuthi drive ukuthi
mina nangu umbuzo wami sorry chief
the level that Connie is reached is far much bigger than
lichele bani guys lichele yakhe personal.
Alright Sorin
she's an African.
Alright Sorin mfubuza umbuzo and so mina ngibona uCristiano Ronaldo emkhulu kulokho amabhilliard. Mina ngemali yami mbese mbiza uCristiano. Mina ngemali yami mbese ngimenzela izinto ngirongo yini?
Wena ngemali yakho? Miss Zimbabwe.
Hayi ngithi ngibusabuzela mina.
That's not personal.
Sabizela mina le mali yami ukuthi ngikwenze.
If it's asingeni ndawana. If it's personal.
So
you can do what you want.
Right, good. So ukhoni ebuya ntu bebuya ku national event.
Yes.
Ernest ebuya wayesizozivakatshela ekhaya.
Wayengabuyi ngelokhu zenini ke
it was not
international.
It was not
wayesivakatshela ekhaya wayesizobona imuli yakhe lani.
It was not Zim.
But still when ubona ngani engabuya for a national event kungayenziwa
nxa ebuye for a national event
ngiyala
kumele
because kumele sikwehlukanisa and every time you go out and then you come back to see your family ephosa ukugcwela abantu
okay. Let's talk about the national event Sakhile Dube. She went there to represent Zimbabwe. It was not done.
Vele indlela no.
It was not done.
Indlela oyamukela ngayo umuntu emzini, le ndlela oyamukela ngayo umuntu ekhaya kufanana.
Wena ngubone kahle ngoza uphakulela abantu emzini yami unika abantwana.
No, mina what I'm saying is vele ukhona and si in as much as singacabanga ukuthi bekukhulu kakhulu and but singenzanga ukukhona ngani mncane
ngaphi
eAfrica yonke ukhona imkhulu
Yeah, she's big in Africa.
Guys,
akakho mkhulu
Yes.
eSouth kuphela
I saw
umkhulu
Zwana-
eAfrica
Zwana
yonke
Chief,
impact
mina
kakhona
angiyalanga
ayikho
ukuthi she's
eSouth
big,
kuphela
and mina angiyalanga ukuthi she's big, but let's not pretend as if she's done a lot for Zimbabwe.
But
For the
who's doing anything
for the
for
Zimbabwe
who?
acting industry.
mina kimi ungimpactile mina as an actor
Mina enzama ukuthi uyazi ukuthi it's not about doing something
because
for
kumele enzena thumeza imali neZimbabwe
it's not about doing something for Zim.
kefana
Lokuthi like you made an example about Cristiano or whoever.
akazakabuye
Every
eZimbabwe
day-
but a lot of youngsters are playing football
Yes,
because of
impacted,
him
you understand? That's the point that he's trying to make. Like Connie Ferguson, she has touched so many
so
Africans.
many
How many
African thespians
Zimbabweans? Guys,
sibaningi
That is what.
sibaningi
Phela, ngabe
Ubanengi lobani?
labangani bami vele hayi,
ungacheka
hayi.
uhambe eBotswana.
Ukhona,
Uhambe
Ukhona, ukhona.
uhambe no.
hayi ukhona hayi
Uhambe eBotswana bamphakamisile la kakhulu. Nge-impact ayenzile
Yeah.
wabuye eZimbabwe bamphakamisile
Yeah.
but ungacheka nxa isiye eSouth Africa akusoze kube
uyafika
njalo
zingenele kuphela
akubi
South
njalo
Sevilla,
nxa ukuthi
eh.
ubest eSouth Africa.
uyafika zingenele kuphela ahambe endlini yakhe
Yipoint lezo nje zabuyenza ukuthi wena uhlala eSouth Africa already
awusoze vele
eSouth Africa basoze bemenzele nje la eSouth Africa maybe bengacomplain, you understand, but uzathola ukuthi maybe
It was
kulomunye
overdone.
no it wasn't
kulomunye umuntu uzathola ukuthi kulomunye umuntu maybe nce wezimu was done so much like adesu Kirsty Coven ngumpresident we thing leyana engabuye ezimu akusoze kufanane
vele
xa esiya
akuzange
kwelinye ilizwe
kufanane vele zabuye vele
but
Akuzange
uKirsty
vele.
Coven adezana umpresident wama Olympics la engahamba maybe nce eChina or South Africa uzathola ukuthi bamenzele okukhulu
ukudlula la
ukudlula la
Yes.
because why
yes
yipoint ayitsho iyo thing isecond.
The panel had 6 judges,
Yeah.
right? Of the 6, we had people who are respected in various.
I
ways.
know.
Out of
Man-
those
man-
6,
man- man- man-
about
man-
3 of them are
Can
models
you let
who
him
have
speak?
represented Zimbabwe
Yeah.
internationally.
Yeah.
We have Ubrooke. She has represented Zimbabwe. She's currently the Miss Universe, or Zimbabwe reigning. She was not respected in the same way as this
Exactly.
particular foreigner.
No, Lina, you guys,
Man,
I know.
man,
Mina, I hear where he's going, and his point I've already heard where you are going, and I gave you a good example. Upeter Ndlovu played was wadlala kibo Sheffield in England, and khonala, and he scored a hat-trick against Liverpool or Arsenal sometime, and but ngumuntu wethu ngumuntu wekhaya and angabuya siyamyamukela sithaba and it's not going to be the same lokuthi kuthiwa kubuya maybe uMessi.
Now,
Messi is a one-day
You know
thing.
what?
We're just seeing Messi today.
Now,
We're
speaking-
excited. That's why if we invite a foreign artist, Katesla, isho yakho na isoze be $10. It's going to be 100, 150 singabiza uChris Brown and or 300 and parithina lesa kwanisa ukushaya $3. So asithingeni phela ngakho sithi amashow ethu abayi
uyazi
500.
ukuthi
So mbani ozabuya wena kushaya kwe 500?
lalela ngikutshelani mina enye ipoint yami nazi enye ipoint yami nazi ukuthi why tina as Zimbabweans do we always do more for the foreigners because tina our very thina abethu nxa bangahamba wherever they go bona labo they are not appreciated as much as thina we are doing for them. Why do we always to do more? We have to do more as if we are
do you know
proving a
ukuthi
point.
mina I can give you a list
The
of
two
people
kids.
that are celebrated in SA more than Zimbabwe. Liniki list
baningi
number
vele.
1 Ezra Mnyandoro. He's more celebrated in SA than Zimbabwe.
was direct in South Africa.
Hayi vele asithi
Yes.
He started playing
As if
football
really-
here, that guy.
As
He
if-
played for
Impact.
years this
Impact.
side. And
Impact.
the impact was here as well. And I know, no. I know.
I think the issue like I
know.
think you know what I think this issue needs its own episode because sesingachonela khona lapha on this thing and silokho sifuna ukukhuluma ngendaba yokuthi mina ngifuna ukukhuluma ukuthi khona amabhela achile embare futhi
Imbarenja.
it seems like Mbare is big.
Ayisikho msika. Oh, akho nomutsha. Alright.
and okuyinto kwakhona ngani because lapha kwachimthiza yayakhwa kwashimbala.
Kuke kwasha futhi laphana.
I saw some bit of similarities on the structures that are being built. Is it not one
Le Unity
person?
Village yake yachabe. You remember? Yeah.
No,
just-
I'm saying lapho kucha khona kufakwe structure. Did you see Mthize the structure? Did you see Mbare the structure? Is it not one person who's building those structures? Standard. Are you saying standard sebulawe lesiyarare ziyafanana?
Bebe chisinsikizi.
So is it coincidence ukuthi umuntu othola igigi lokuyakha imbare ngumuntu othola igigi lokuyakha Mthize ngumuntu ozathola igigi lokuyakha imbare futhi?
Enxa somntwana uya.
Because we are going to see the same structure there.
I
guarantee you.
Andikuyabe kule plan yakhona phela.
State of the art.
Fana lo ungahambe wovile izindlu zakhona zonke ziyafanana but
State
akuyakho
of the
umuntu
art.
oyi-one. Labe plan yokuthi yakhani so.
Hayi.
Of the art museum.
Guys, ubuilder ngayakha indlu la, even iplan ifanana, ayakhe kamakhelwane. Umuntu okwazi ukupay attention to detail can say isandla somuntu lo yisisandla esiyakhe la.
Hayi experience la ebesikhuluma ngayo but.
I'm smelling a rat here. I'm not going to say much, but I'm smelling a rat here. Into enzakalayo.
Yeah.
Because ama fires lawa and aseyenza ngesikhathi esincane ubone sokwenzakala kweindawo esikhathi esincane so too much. The frequency is just something else. And I was seeing the comments where people were saying sebeyafaka structure and then ama vendors that were there will have to start paying more rentals now after the structure has been built. So they pretend as if they are helping people.
Mhlawumbe babe belicelile basukani la yala. Bachisa.
Are you sure?
Anti lapha siyathinka la. Lapha siyathinka phela la.
But you know, I think this thing has to be looked into because mina ngibona ngani there is something deeper.
Mina I think futhi especially for on a safety side. I think ama building lendawo ezindala ama structures amadala lawana sehlalile isikhathi. I think kule need yoku inspector sibili especially into zama gates. Ngoba imlilo simnengi like ama imlilo sibili ukutsha kwendawo sokukunengi sibili. Besides the negative side, but I think angazi ukuthi Kareza nontizesa yabuya lezi strategy ukuthi sesifukwenza lokhu $25 sesifukwenza lokhu, but I think kumele kube into ekhona vele ukuthi abantu abethu bangapasa ama sciences baqhatshwe ezesi ba inspect intambo le kube into eyenzakalayo vele.
Yeah, that's
Because angilayo mina imali yoku inspectisa, so what am I going to tell myself? Angaboni intambo ehlubekileyo la, so it's okay. But kungaba sibile proper inspection sibile ukuthi kwazakala ukuthi after this period of time ama gates ay inspect.
Does anyone know ukuthi umlilo wembare ukhozewe yini?
I'm
From
not
the
sure.
investigations. Because singathi ngamagetsi kanti ngumuntu ozilayithela ikhandlela la.
Yeah, bengikhuluma also on a safety side ukuthi ama gates afuna ukunanzela. Anti unit village kuthiwa umuntu oyitshontsha imali. Otshontsha imali then wachiyechise. Ukwenza ukuthi kungathreswa ukuthi kuntshontshiwe.
Ngiyabona manje.
Wase lapha nxa ulayitha lapha usithi indaba le lingayidi vu.
So JC has rebranded to Mr. Ungaitivu. Seems like there's quite mixed opinions on this one, but mina personally I think that's a clever move.
No, for me I don't.
Why?
Imagine nxa wonke umuntu engachayi hit then ibizo le hit kuhle kube libizo lakho.
It's not wonke umuntu.
Hayi ngitsho nje ukuthi nxa kungaba njalo because ungayithi vu it's not a good artistic name.
Umadlebe ngamnambusa mamo.
I think well,
imagine umadlela ngaba ngamnambusa mamo.
the name is not appealing enough.
Yeah, it's
but
not.
I think ukuthi what works for someone omnye umuntu angayenza into le imsebenzela but abanye bayikope kube imboza. But for this guy, mina I think this one was a clever move temporarily. lalela.
I hear you.
Because
Nami ngiyakusupport.
almost everyone knows this song. Mina ngiqalisa ukuzwa anti sesijayele ukuthi ingoma ezimnandi ngezegoli. Ngiqalisa ukuzwa I thought it was an SA song. Ngoba wasikhathi oh it's a local song. And I didn't even know his name. And I know ukuthi abantu abaningi kade singathi JC they don't even know who it is. But once wathi
They know.
ungayithi vu.
Mina bemfube ngenye
That's when
the guy.
No, lapha sengikhulumela mina labanye engibaziyo mina.
Yes. I agree.
Ukuthi you hear people nxa abantu bekhuluma ngaye you hear sithi ugayilwana ungayithi vu. Because the name JC is not out there. Uthola ukuthi it's mostly the people in the arts industry who know the name, but abantu abangekho ku arts industry bakwazi ungayithi vu. Ungavela ukuthi ungayithi vu, they know the face.
Yeah.
Uyabo?
Mina
So
for me I think akula creative okuyinto lokho, sorry. In this sense mina ngingakakwazi umuntu okuthiwa ngoClement Magwaza ngaba kwazi ingoma okuthiwa nguKokotsha. Then waqhubeka elokho letha eminye imiculo emihle ngaze ngaba kwazi ukuthi ha undoda lo wasoKokotsha lo.
ingxenye ubonthela sozakwanisa
So mina I
ukuqhubeka
think this guy akaselo kunye angasinika khona. So sefuna ukubambelela ebizweni lengoma.
Mina benomunye umbono different. From izikandala ebezenzakala ibizwe lithi JC leya. That's why bona isinghle ke lethi ngiqolele ebuyani. Umuntu ngani uya like rebrand actually.
Okay.
We understand the point
ubamba khona lapho continue. So urebrandile sehlabela ungixolele ubhadalile imali zabantu.
Lwana wambhadala.
Elona wampatalo.
Babengekho ngi2.
Abanye sikizwe but Lwana wayesechinge kakhulu egcwele kuma socials ngowabhadala.
Okay.
Abanye asikabiwa. So uyabona ukuthi ngumuntu obonile ukuthi no ibizo lami bese lingcole uJC bese ngcolile.
Then mina ngithi nxa urebrand rebranda sibi.
Unga rebranding
Because even kubhalwa vele kwawubhala ukuthi JC ungayithi vu hitmaker. So yes, rebranding I can agree, but mina I think uyabusubona ukuthi mina vele ngokwami angikho relevant ezolesli. So ngingacracker one joke ku comment libe viral ngihle ngithi mina vele sengiyena lwa.
I also think
It's so normal. Do you know ukuthi a lot of people bayazi ingoma leyano ngawuza umoya wami andi. But abakwazi lokuthi ngumsisi K andi. Imagine umsisi K sesithi ngawuza umoya wami.
Yeah, no, he's making a point. He is making a point. The problem yakinga. He's making a valid point. And but the problem yakhe ukuthi nxa esekhuluma yena he sings the name. Uhlabela ibizo langikhona yabona.
But lama fama examples
but also I think enye into we need to teach or we need to learn as artists ukuthi sometimes when we are saying rebranding we're not only talking about changing the name.
Like everything.
You know, because when unje so general you are a brand and
mbona ngathi
ungazitshintsha ibizo from Leslie to Lionel and but okunye konke
kuqhubeke kufanana le costume
lendlela oziphatha ngayo indlela lokusitshontshela and everything it's uyabona ukuthi kuyabe
ngingarebrandanga
uyabona rebrandanga
kumele mina ngingarebranda ngihambe ngihlabela ingoma zesabathini
hayi no
rebranding phela ngisayusay acapella
no if you are rebranding because your former name is dirty then it means be clean from now on uyabona be clean. Exactly. And if you are rebranding also, we are now expecting you to deliver because you have rebranded. Ngezindlela zami kusitshela ukuthi wena usuhlubile, usugezile, usutshintshile, you are a fresh you. So we are expecting a fresh Mr. Ungayithi vu. We are expecting to see him. We are expecting nice music. Yeah, you know, all those kind of things.
What I can
but
say is
mina ngimfisela progress. As long as sebhadela imali zabantu, ngimfisela ubuhle, ngimfisela success.
But into le indele Mr. Ungayithi vu.
Don't be a hater.
I think ngabe ngu Mr. Fu.
It was going to sound different. different.
Ayo Mr. Vu. Mr. Ungayithi phela umbuzo lo ungayithi vu like it's a warning, it's a command. Ungayithi vu. Then lo Mr. eqaseni. Hello, I life is a stew. Ukuthi
But baningi abareprendayo.
Yeah. It's true.
So now sesiya emaphethelweni e-podcast yethu. I think General Leslie, please tell us about iBuff lesho kaButhelezwe. Phela wena nguwo.
Mina vele yimi umuntu oledatha lamashows. Usister lo akwazi lutho lo. All right, this is what is happening in the coming weekends. Weekends, yeah, in the coming weekends, like we always say, ama lokuzeni lawa ama updates. Yes, these updates are proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events, your masters in events, your masters in studio works. If you need anything, stage hire, lights, if you need photo shoots, if you need sound system, sound mixing, sound engineering, make sure you contact Deb3 Events. And what we have in the coming weeks, we've got a night with Butelezwe this Friday, Yonale, this Friday. Yeah, 23, yes. Friday, 23rd of May. Services Lalani Hotel, a night with Butelezwe. We've got a lineup, a massive Konangale. I remember we've got Ado, we've got Keiki, Tumfano Msoto. Like I can mention just a few. It's going to be a vocal Berkeley buffet together with Mnandi Konangale. So let's meet at Lalani Hotel. Can you guys confirm the time for me? Is it 6? Is it 6 time? Is it 6 p.m.? Yeah, from 6 p.m. Service Lalani Hotel. Tickets are going for $5. Maungatanda, prawns, lama noodles and whatever. But I would advise you to grab a meal. Just $15 entrance and a very non-delicious meal. $15. Tenge phela ama tickets in advance ukwenza ukuthi sikulungisele ama tip bona sharp courtesy of Lalani Hotel, proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events. The coming week, 30 May, we've got the Bulawayo Arts Festival, proudly brought to you by Bulawayo City Council. There's going to be comedy, there's going to be poetry, there's going to be theater, music, live bands, like a lot is going to be happening that weekend. So make sure Uguti, you find your way to their different venues and Zalnigama updates on our next podcast. Ugutama ama venues abe minjani. And your very own General Leslie will be on the lineup for the comedy and poet night. Zebes kala ama jokes am ngwafakela unondutuzange mniki ngobe washange kawash ngicine ama jokes. So Zebes kala. Then from 5 June to 13 June, Bulawayo Theatre, we've got Ipintombi, a Zimbabwean story, a musical and dance production featuring Kaya Arts. It's going to be massive. Tickets are going for $10 for adults, $5 for kids. I think it's around 10 or so shows. So I was today weekend yapo and then you wins. Wena. Somebody guesses the kawash, I'm telling you.
So guys, please do comment and follow, subscribe khona lapho. Sifuna uzwa ama comments. Yazi ukuthi mina kwesinye isikhathi ngiyabe ngifuna ukuzwa. Kunokunye ngama comments engiyaye ngubone so keep them coming. Siyathanda ukwabala ama comments alawo. And please also do share our views on what you think about esiyabe sikukhulumile khona lapha ku podcast yethu. What else? Oh, follow Deb3 Events on Facebook, on Twitter, and TikTok as well. Deb3 Ikona. Sibongeke Okuhle Designs, Les Captain Chicken for making this program enjoyable for mina lo general.
Yeah, especially mina.
Yes, and also okay, let me talk about myself. Please do also follow Nondutuzo Ncube on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Generally, even lingamfollowanga ku right akulandaba akaqhakathekanga uqhakathekileyo yimi. Yeah. Don't forget, Deb3 Events offers event planning and management. Whenever you want to host an event, be it social, be it corporate, be it family, be it NGO. you want to host Deb3 events is there for you. You can get a PA system hire, sound system hire, a stage hire, LED lights, lighting solutions, also folk machines, smoke machines, sparklers, you name it. Kunengi okunye ngingachonela ilanga lonke ngizama ukuqamba ukuthi ungathola ni Deb3. Just contact Deb3 using the contacts akhona lapho ku screen. Sibonane njalo futhi next week. Uyafuna bakufollow?
Mina ngicela limfollowe ngijayela ukugada umbayiwa ngisiye endlini limfollowe lani ligade ngingagada lapha lani ligade limfollowe